In a lot of my recent videos, you guys saw me wearing this thing. And you're probably wondering, what is this thing? I'm about to explain that. This light on my hat is called a SOFIRN light, okay? Oh, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. We communicated through email. This light is a very versatile light. What I like about it is you can take it off the stand that it comes on. The stand that it comes on has a clip, and this is actually a really, really nice clip. This is not like a BS clip, okay? It is USB-C rechargeable. So what I like about it, personally, is I could clip it onto my hat, and the clip will stay put, but then if I want to take it off my hat, it's got a magnetic backing. You see how I just put it on the dry erase board, so I could put it wherever I need it. But like in a pinch, like let's say a cop is in a standoff against a person with a knife, and their main light's not working, yeah, you could definitely take this off of your hat and then put it on your weapon. Like, why not? I'm pretty sure you could put this magnetic base on the handlebar of an e-bike. I'm almost certain you could do that. It's got different brightness modes on it. I prefer the dim mode, personally, because I like to keep it on my hat, and it makes the battery last longer, the dim mode. This one has like a purple, like a black light or whatever. This black light is useful if you were hunting and you needed to follow a blood trail. So black light, that's kind of cool, you know? So all in all, I really like the versatility of this light. I think it has a lot of utility, and I mostly wear it when I'm around the house. I've also worn this hat when I'm in vehicles, and you'll notice some of the recent videos I've been in, I've worn this hat with this light. It just makes tasks in low light environments where I'm just doing basic work and stuff easier. Talk to the manufacturer about how waterproof it is. I don't know, but I was in a light rainstorm with this thing, very light. It wasn't like pouring down rain, but there was like a drizzle and some water did get on it, and it still works. So that when I was emailing them, they said that it's got a very low waterproof rating, so it's not super waterproof, which is kind of a disappointment. But considering the versatility of all this different things this thing can do, it comes with like a watch band, like in case you want to like wear it on your wrist as a watch. I have no interest in doing that. For me, it's something I want to keep on my hat because it's just very useful on my hat. It's there when I need it. It's very easy for me to turn it on and off. Like if I just need some light really quick, not a bunch of light, but just enough light to kind of see what I'm doing. It's perfect for that. So for me personally, this thing's gonna stay on my hat, and you're gonna keep seeing this in videos a lot. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Support the merchandise. I sell stretchy rash guard type shirts that are really badass. I really want you guys to check out all the different products that I sell. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Cherub signing off.